So what does that mean? I would need to frame it short down into this discount. So if I'm wrong about us trading down here, new week opening gap, it doesn't matter. I'm still getting paid down here, right? So, like I said though, no matter what the bias is, for me to frame, like even if I would say I was bullish, I still needed that retracement down to a discount to frame a high probability long, right? So while we're still in a premium, the only thing I can really do is frame a short down into here. This would be the lowest hanging fruit first target. But remember, what's resting below these lows and these lows here? Short-term sell side for those that have been gambling the market, and or maybe just large funds that are scaling their position. But ultimately, there's short-term sell stops resting below here and here. Like I said, I still need to see a little bit more on the price. It's not enough for me to just come down to the 1 minute time frame and say, oh, okay, we traded below the swing low, we traded up into the 1 minute gap, now I'm shorting. Okay, I need a little bit more of a story being told to me than simply just this. Okay. Alright, so we just pushed straight through that 5 minute fair value gap. That's exactly what I wanted to see. And now notice we got the entire body of this opposing down close candle. So those two factors right there will be enough for me to look for an entry to get short to the sell side. Okay. So it's just a matter of will it provide that entry or not. So I'm going to throw in one contract here on ES. And this will be trade number 1 of the day. And so I like what NQ showing me here. Nice. There's that sell side tagged. But notice the hard rejection up off of the sell side there. So if it comes up, stops me out at that point, I would just say, okay, well, obviously, all price needed was this initial low here. But I'm still submitting to the fact, currently, that I want to see equilibrium repriced to. Because there's fair value residing there. And then right below that, I'm not even holding for this, but right below that, we have this large 1 minute fair value gap. Okay, guys, so if you come and look at NASDAQ here, it looks like it's going to start trading above these highs here. So I'm going to do the only logical thing here, and I'm going to cut bait at break even there. So that's a break even trade. So this right here, it's not chop. It's not, oh, the market's asleep and it's choppy. No, it's accumulating for something, right? Okay, all large moves originate from consolidation. See that we still have that sell side resting below. So I'll try it one more time here. So the idea of me putting my stop above this candle's high right here is, number 1, we have the fair value gap here, and number 2, we have half of this wick here. And look where the body's closed, below midpoint of the wick. So I would like to see that stay intact and tread lower. Good work, Quintamilius. The execution. Yeah, I'm not moving the stop. If it comes up and stop me out, I mean, that's fine. I'm risking how much I'm willing to lose, right? Notice how we closed multiple times within this 1 minute gap here, formed a swing high. That's exactly what you want to see. Okay, so stop's getting trailed lower. Okay, stop looking at the profit and loss. Study price. Okay, here's that 1 minute for Vega. Just check on ES. Okay, still showing weakness. Dollar index still showing strength. Come on, get down there. You can do it. So my main interest is equilibrium, but I'm not even holding on down for there. Okay. Okay, so stop is going to be relatively at break even now, just above the up close candles here. Good work, Super Toaster. Taking profit at the sell side. Beautiful. I'd love to see it. Alright, there we go. There is the business. I believe that was 37 handles. Quick and easy. Okay, it was 34 handles. So, as you guys all obviously saw, we had a 1 break-even trade here on ES. Okay, break-even. And here on NASDAQ, we come back with 34 handles for over $600.